know, I'm a traditional Japanese storyteller. Okay, I finally got here. Hello, I'm from Matsui. I got a call from Kyakunosuke-san. Hello, Kyakunosuke-san, you there? Oh, Matchan, you came. You asked me to come right away, so I rushed right over. So I heard there's something wrong with the mold temperature controller? Well, maybe we should just take a look at the machine first, huh? As it turned out, Matchan found a number of loose joints in the machine, which seemed to be the result of inadequate daily maintenance. And this relatively small problem, well, this was just the beginning of this story. It looked like some pipe joints were coming loose, so I tightened them up. Poor maintenance? Sorry about that. It's embarrassing. But I really appreciate how you always get here quickly to take care of our problems, though. Come on. You know you're free to call me out here at any time. You know, I'm glad to hear you say that. A while back, when another manufacturer's machine had a problem, I asked them to come out here and check it out immediately, but they took so long to get here. It even affected our production, and we were in a lot of trouble, too. I'm sorry to hear that. You've been using our machines here for a long time, it seems. So maybe it's a good time to consider, consider replacing them? Using fancy words to try and sell us new machines now, aren't we? Sorry, but we select the best manufacturer according to the size of the molding machine. So there's nothing for you to do right now. Is that so? That's too bad. You know, could you tell me how you select a manufacturer based on machine size? Come on. As a salesperson, you should know this. For large molded products like car bumpers, we select mold temperature controllers made by Company A. And for small precision molded products like harness connectors used for automotive electrical systems, we select ones made by Company B, and so on. And in addition, whoa. Anything more and we're getting into company secrets here. Huh? So you won't tell me the most important thing? Anyway, you seem to have put so much thought into everything else, but you really haven't thought about the most important condition for the mold. Huh? What are you talking about? Nice. Now that I've got your attention, let me ask you this. You know that a water pipe runs through the mold, right? Huh? Look, Matchan, of course I know that. I've been in this business for years, you know. Okay, so you know about the relationship between the water pipe and the mold temperature controller, right? Come on. I told you, I'm no amateur. Okay, calm down. Your blood pressure will go up and you'll collapse before you know it. Now, just bear with me for a minute and think of this as a quick review. To keep the mold temperature constant, the medium running through the water pipe needs to be in something called turbulent flow. Ever heard of it? Turbulent flow? What in the world is that? First, this is how the medium runs straight through the water pipe. This is called laminar flow, and temperature differences are likely to occur between the center and side areas of the medium. So there's no way to control the temperature. Okay, so now what? What's next? On the other hand, this is how turbulent flow works. Unlike laminar flow, the medium moves irregularly, right? This turbulent flow causes the medium to diffuse through the whole water pipe, and this diffusion brings about efficient heat exchange. Okay. Who knew that system could be used to control temperature? More importantly, conditions that generate this turbulent flow slightly differ depending on what's molded. So, mold temperature controllers use two types of pumps: centrifugal and cascade. And Matsui makes and offers both types. Matsui makes both types? That must be hard for you guys to do. Please, hear me out, okay? When making large molded products, the mold will, of course, be large, and many thick water pipes will be needed. To generate turbulent flow under those conditions, the flow rate of the medium plays an important role. In that case, we recommend a mold temperature controller equipped with a centrifugal pump, which can feed a large amount of medium into the water pipe. For small precision molded products, the water pipes will be thinner and fewer because the mold is smaller and uses complicated water pipe paths. To generate turbulent flow under these conditions, what's important is the pressure to secure the medium's flow rate. So in this case, you need a mold temperature controller that can feed the medium into the water pump with high pressure. So one equipped with a cascade pump would be the best choice. Now I get it. So Matsui has a selection of mold temperature controllers based on not only the molding machine size, but also the mold condition. Exactly. We're proud of having a wide selection that can handle any molded product. Plus, if you use machines made by one manufacturer as opposed to several, I have no doubt that it'll help you save time and effort on maintenance and spare parts management. It's a great chance to raise your stock. Aha! So you are trying to sell your machines, you tricky guy, you. Oh, okay. Well, if you don't mind, let me give you an estimate right now. You know what they say, strike gold while it's hot. I think it goes strike while the iron is hot. But there's no hurry. I know your company website contains a lot of information. Let me check it out myself first. But come on, do you always get this excited? Sorry, I get heated up pretty quickly and talk a lot. It's one of my many bad habits. It looks like I need to keep my temperature regulated as well. Matsui boasts a wide selection of mold temperature controllers compatible to various molding conditions. For more details on product selection, please search Matsui Mold Temperature Controllers.